A simple high up ponytail hairstyle. That's what I want to make for my baby girl. She's doing queen in their school, so I want to make something to, something that will make her look to be beautiful, something that she'll be able to wear her crown with, and it's going to look gorgeous. Her hair is short, her hair is not long, so I'm going to be adding an artificial ponytail at the end there, but I have to kind of pack up the hair. So you can see I'm struggling to hold her hair in place, and this is her natural hair, by the way. I haven't relaxed the hair, so this is her natural hair. I don't know if I should classify her hair as a 4C hair type, but I don't think her hair is 4C. Maybe her hair should be 4B or 4A, I don't know, but her hair is not a 4C hair, because I know the difference between mine and her. Now I'm going to be making use of edge control instead of gel. I'm going to be making use of edge control. I had it from a stylist. The stylist said that to make a ponytail gel up to last longer, that I have to make use of edge control with spray gel. So that is what I'm going to be making use of in this video. So you can see I'm applying the hair edge control all around her hair. I've not hold down this hair with rubber. I've not hold it down with rubber band, so I'm just going to be applying the edge control. I'm going to apply it all around, and because the hair is short, that's why you see me trying to hold the hair in one place. That's why you see me all the time. I'm packing and repacking. So that's it. After rubbing the hair edge control, I've already rubbed it all the way around. I don't want it to be too much, since I'll still take down the hairstyle. It's just for that particular day. That's why she's wearing this hairstyle. Their school, they don't wear ponytail to school, so it's just because of that queen stuff. That's why she has to come to school with a ponytail. So I don't want to add much of this edge control to it. If it's something that she's going to wear for long, I definitely was going to add much edge control on the hair. So now I'm holding it down with the rubber band. So that's what you see me. Her hair is actually dried. Her hair tried to pack a little bit. So after holding it down with this rubber band, I wanted to try to see if I can be able to use that big brush to brush it down, but it didn't work for me. So I ended up using this old toothbrush. It kind of looks a little hard, because that our big brush was very soft, so I made use of this one to hold down the hair. And because of my baby's scalp that was very tender, in as much as what I was doing was very, I was being gentle, I wasn't being too rough, I was being gentle in brushing. From the video you will see that I'm being gentle, yet her this thing was kind of showing red. So this is me. I'm making use of spray gel. This is split spray gel, so I'm just going to spray it like that, because I want it to kind of be firm. That is what I used in making my own hair. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to be placing the link in the description box, and that's, by the way, the last video that I uploaded in this channel. So here is that what do I call it, detachable bun. I got this detachable bun in 2019. Yes, it should be in 2019 or 2018. That was when I bought this detachable bun. And you can see in this video, I have not even treated that bun. It was that morning itself that I just brought it out from where I put it. So if I want it to be very beautiful, I would have just add some oil, some water, some oil to it, and kind of fluff it out so that it will be beautiful. But anyways, it served me the way I wanted it. So when I added this, it makes her head to be a kind of very big. You can see it. So I'm trying to tell my baby girl to keep her head in place for me. Let her keep her head, so that I can be able to tie it at the back. But if I put down the head, she will just put down her head like that. So I have to just tell her to hold your head, baby, hold your head, so that I can be able to tie it. So she actually did it, and I tied it. You can see how beautiful the hair is looking. It's very beautiful, and my baby girl, she loved this hair. This girl, she's a fashion somebody. She's the most fashionable person in this house. So she loved the hairstyle. She loved it. And this hairstyle works perfectly for that queen thing that she did. Because if I put on the crown on her hair, everything comes out to be very, very beautiful. And you can see the edge control with the spray gel looks fantastic. You can see her wearing her crown. Oh, my baby girl is a queen. Oh, hail her royal majesty. You can see we are genuflecting for her. We are bowing for the queen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.